I'll explain what is chemical bond and types of chemical bonds. A chemical bond is an attractive force which holds atoms or ions together in a molecule. A molecule is an electrically neutral cluster of mutually bonded atoms. Now, when we talk about chemical bonds, there are three types of chemical bonds. First, electrovalent bond. Electrovalent bond is also called as ionic bond. Second chemical bond is covalent bond. Third chemical bond is coordinate bond. Coordinate bond is also called as dative bond. So first we'll discuss what is electrovalent bond. A bond which is formed by transfer of one or more electrons from the outermost shell of one atom to the outermost shell of another atom is called as electrovalent bond or ionic bond. Let us understand electrovalent bond with the help of few examples. The first example which we will take is of sodium chloride, NaCl. Sodium has atomic number 11 and its electronic configuration is 281. Chlorine has atomic number 17. Its electronic configuration is 287. Now if we see the atoms of sodium, sodium atom has 3 shells. The first shell has got 2 electrons. The second shell has got 8 electrons. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the third shell has got only 1 electron. If we see chlorine atom has also got 3 shells. The first shell has got 2 electrons. The second shell has got 8 electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And the third shell has got 7 electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now when two atoms, sodium atom and chlorine atom, they come close to one another, the electron present in the outermost shell of sodium atom gets transferred to the outermost shell of chlorine atom. As a result, sodium atom loses 1 electron, forms a cation with +1 charge and attains an electronic configuration of 2 and 8. On the other hand, chlorine atom gains 1 electron, becomes anion with -1 charge and attains an electronic configuration of 2, 8, 8. Now both sodium and chlorine, they attain the nearest noble gas configuration and thus become stable. At the same time, both sodium and chlorine atom, they become charged, and the two charged atoms, they come closer to one another, and a bond is formed between sodium atom and chlorine atom. And this bond which is formed between sodium atom and chlorine atom is formed due to transfer of electron from the outermost shell of sodium atom to the outermost shell of chlorine atom. And such a bond which is formed by the transfer of electrons is called as a electrovalent bond or ionic bond. Let us take one more example of electrovalent bond. Calcium oxide. Calcium has atomic number 20. Its electronic configuration is 2882. Oxygen has got atomic number 8. Electronic configuration is 2 and 6. Now, when we see calcium atom has 4 shells. The first shell has got 2 electrons. The second shell has got 8 electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. The third shell has also got 8 electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the fourth shell has got only 2 electrons. 1 and 2. Now if you see oxygen atom has got only 2 shells. The first shell has got 2 electrons and the second shell has got 6 electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now when calcium atom and oxygen atom, they come close to one another, the 2 electrons present in the outermost shell of calcium atom gets transferred to the outermost shell of oxygen atom. As a result, calcium atom loses 2 electrons, becomes cation with +2 charge and attains the electronic configuration of 288. On the other hand, oxygen atom gains 2 electrons, becomes anion with -2 charge and attains an electronic configuration of 2 and 8. Earlier it was 2, 6, now it has gained 2 electrons, 2 and 8. So here you can see both the atoms, they have attained the nearest noble gas configuration and are stable. At the same time, both the atoms, they have become charged. Calcium has got charge of +2 and oxygen has got a charge of -2 by the transfer of electrons. So the oppositely charged atoms, they get attracted towards one another. And as a result, a bond is formed between calcium atom and oxygen atom. So this bond is formed due to transfer of electrons from the outermost shell of calcium to the outermost shell of oxygen. And such a bond which is formed by the transfer of electrons is called as electrovalent bond or ionic bond. Now one more thing which you can remember in this is that in the formation of electrovalent bond, the metal atom loses electron and becomes a cation, and a non-metal atom gains electron and becomes an anion. So since ions are formed during the formation of electrovalent bond, so this is also called as ionic bond. Now let us talk about the second type of chemical bond, which is called as covalent bond. Now covalent bond is formed when 2 or more pair of electrons, they share between 2 atoms. For example, chlorine gas molecule. Now chlorine has atomic number 17. Its electronic configuration is 2, 8 and 7. Now when 2 chlorine atoms, they come closer to one another, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. I am showing only the electrons which are present in the outermost shell of the chlorine atom. So when 2 chlorine atoms, they come closer to one another, each chlorine atom will give 1 electron for sharing. This chlorine atom has given this electron for sharing, this chlorine atom has given this electron sharing. As a result, a pair of electron is shared between 2 chlorine atoms. And the 2 chlorine atoms, they attain their octet also and become stable. This chlorine atom is also attained its octet and this chlorine atom is also attained its octet. Now since this bond is formed by the sharing of electron, it is called as covalent bond. And since one pair of electron is shared between the 2 atoms, so this is called as a single covalent bond. And a single covalent bond is denoted by a single line between the 2 atoms. Let's take one more example of covalent bond. Oxygen gas molecule. Now oxygen has atomic number 8. Its electronic configuration is 2 and 6. So when 2 oxygen atoms, they come close to one another, each oxygen atom will give 2 electrons for sharing. Here this oxygen atom has given these 2 electrons for sharing, this oxygen atom has given these 2 electrons for sharing. As a result, both the oxygen atom will complete their octet. So this will also have 8 electrons in its shell, this will also have 8 electrons in the shell. So both the oxygen atom will become stable. And since this bond is formed by sharing of electrons, so it is called as covalent bond. And since two pairs of electrons they are shared between two oxygen atoms, it is called as double covalent bond. And double covalent bond is denoted by two lines between the two atoms. Let us take one more example of covalent bond. Nitrogen gas molecule. Nitrogen gas molecule, nitrogen has atomic number 7, its electronic configuration is 2 and 5. So when two nitrogen atoms, they come closer to one another, each nitrogen atom will give 3 electrons for sharing. As a result, 3 pairs of electrons are shared, 1 pair, 2 pair, 3 pairs. 3 pairs of electrons are shared between two nitrogen atoms. And both the nitrogen atoms will complete their octet. This was also got 8 electrons, 6 and 2, 8. And this nitrogen atom also got 6 and 2, 8. And since this bond is formed by sharing of electrons, so this is called as covalent bond. And since 3 pairs of electrons they shared between two nitrogen atoms, this is called as triple covalent bond. And triple covalent bond is denoted by 3 lines between two atoms. So we can conclude that covalent bond is a bond which is formed when 1, 2 or 3 pairs of electrons are shared between two atoms. Now we will talk about third type of chemical bond. Third type of chemical bond is coordinate bond. Now coordinate bond is a bond in which the shared pair of electrons is contributed by only one of the combining atoms. For example, ammonium ions. Ammonium ion. If we see the structure of ammonia gas, we will see that the nitrogen atom in the ammonia gas has got one lone pair of electron. So whenever a hydrogen ion which is deficient of electron approaches an ammonia gas molecule, the nitrogen gives its lone pair of electron to this hydrogen ion, and this hydrogen ion gets linked to the ammonia gas and forms ammonium ion. Now since this shared pair of electron is given only by one of the combining atom, so it is called as a coordinate bond. So these were the 3 types of chemical bonds.